Today with Texas Retired, we will be touring the Darlington plan from Titan Mobile Homes. This is a 52-foot by 30-foot double wide that comes in two configurations. Today's configuration will be a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a second living area. It also comes with a 4th bedroom, 2-bath option. 1,577 square feet. Starts at 159,000. Very nice layout, pretty standard for a mobile home, but this one is pretty nice. So you have to avoid or excuse the construction. This one's being finished out. Comes with faux beams in the ceiling, a ceiling fan, a accent wall. Pretty nice size living area. Flows nicely into the kitchen. Dining area next to the kitchen. Large island. Farmhouse sink. Very open. Lots of counter space. Heading into the laundry room, we have the hot water heater behind the panel. You have the AC unit. Space for a washer and dryer. And the back door. Flows very nicely, as mentioned before. Went into the second bedroom. See, ceiling fan. And a nice sized closet. The second bathroom is a decent sink area, some storage, and a one-piece shower tub combo. Transom window over the shower. Looking at the second living area, you have the faux beam ceiling, an accent textured wall, a ceiling fan. And then looking into the third bedroom, we also have a ceiling fan. And a decent sized closet. Moving from the second living area, you'll see on the right hand side there, that's where the closet would be if this was a 4th bedroom. We'll work our way back into the main part of the house. Dining area has 2 large windows, a nice chair rail, accent chair rail. Moving into the master bedroom. Nice sized bedroom. The ceiling fan. Master bathroom is a large vanity area with dual sinks and dual mirrors. Some storage for linens. A large master closet. This bathroom has the walk-in shower option. Very large. Transom window above the shower. And it has a barn door for the master closet. Hope y'all enjoyed this tour. Please like, share, and subscribe.